Hello friends, Hastini Jobs YouTube channel no rojotona lamsogo fighting kesantini South Tripura district ni warden and part-time teacher ni total job ni notification nailai notification khorka Government of Tripura Office of the District Education Officer Bilonia South Tripura 19 September no okhorifega notification te wall in interview ne derajak tongo 26 September 2022 tarikh no wall in interview lajak nai vacant post ongka residential hostel and KGBB Girls Hostel in South Tripura no lajak nai wall in interview ni center jatango Chamber of the District Project Coordinator District Education Officer South Tripura District Bilonia South Mirzapur High School Complex College Square from 10:30 AM ni sime 3:30 joratai norokni o center no wall in interview lajak nai tai jara o post ni bagai interested candidate tongnai tai norok physically thangai no application in plain paper tilangai norokni tai norokni mong tai hostel tai tamo post ni bagai apply khainai tai passport size photo original document tai shall attest their photocopies all certificate document tilangai na wall in interview marinai application chaita hostel ni bagai category wise vacancy nailai tai ek number jak tango residential hostel girls attached to Dosrab that Memorial Residential High Secondary School Buratoli Sabrom o hostel ni bagai category wise vacancy lajak nai te warden ni bagai post karai te part time teacher lajak nai unreserved ekjon te S0 ekjon lajak nai te residential hostel girls attached to Samsing High Secondary School ke Sabrom no warden ekjon lajak nai unreserved te part time teacher ke unreserved duijon te S0 ekjon lajak nai te residential hostel boys attached to Srikantobari High Secondary School Koifang Julaibari ke warden ekjon lajak nai unreserved te unreserved part-time teacher lajak nai ekjon te ST ekjon lajak nai KGBB type 4 attached to Monobongkol High Secondary School ni bagai ke warden ni bagai vacancy kare part-time teacher lajak nai unreserved ekjon lajak nai hinke friends noro jara o post ni bagai interested candidate nai tai norok 26 September 2022 tarikh thangai no Bilonia South Mirzapur High School Complex College Square from 10:30 ni simi 3 joratai norok ni all documents certificate tilangai norok wall in interview ready the notification bising te ara sajaka o jobongka 1/8 ni bagai contract basic na lajak nai te residential hostel warden ni bagai hinke salary rajak nai 22,000 jora per month te part time teacher ni bagai hinke 10,000 rajak nai te jara warden ni bagai wall in interview ni thangnai rao te norok ni education qualification nai TET qualify eba TET qualify khlaijak rei norok graduate degree BA BSc BCom with BA degree khaijak tongkha norok o post ni bagai wall in interview rimanai part time teacher ni bagai qualification TET qualify eba TET qualify khlaijak rei norok graduate degree BA BSc BCom with BA degree tei preferable rajak nai DLA khaijak tongkha te 6 number sajaka preference rajak nai candidates ona block te subdivisional area ni te saita hostel ni block te subdivisional area ni candidates ona ke preference rajak nai sajaka hinke friends noronogi mankana Bilonia South Tripura ni bisingti na wall in interview ni bisingtai warden te part time teacher ni total job ni notification o mohai total job ni notification naina bagai Hastini Jobs YouTube channel no subscribe khlai support khai di।